Are you struggling to generate consistent images with the same characters? Don't worry. Here's a tool that makes it super easy. Hey guys, daily AI tools to level up your productivity. Day 1 of exploring awesome AI tools and learning how to use them. Today's tool is Runway ML, an absolute game changer for creating consistent images. To get started, just go to Google and type Runway ML, then click on the first link that shows up. Once the page opens, you'll see a simple interface where you can generate images in just a few steps. Click on Upload and add your character references. For example, I'm using 2 characters named Alia and her father Amjad. After uploading, you can write your prompt right there. Scroll down to choose your image ratio, I picked 16:9, set how many images you want, and pick the resolution. Then hit Generate, and boom, your images are ready. I'll even create another one using the same characters to show how consistent the results are. You can also view, edit, reuse, and download your prompts and images easily. And yes, you can even generate videos right from this platform, which is pretty cool. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for your daily dose of AI tools and tips.